In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order KFC online. To begin, open your browser and go to the KFC Philippines website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Order Now button and click it. This will take you into the online ordering system where you can choose how you want to receive your food. Next, select your ordering method. You may see options like delivery or pickup, and for this example, we'll choose delivery. After selecting delivery, you'll need to set your location on the map. This step is important because it helps the system confirm that your address is within the service area and connects you to the correct branch. Try to place the pin as accurately as possible so your order goes to the right destination. Once your location is set, click Start My Order. You'll now be taken to the menu where you can begin choosing what you want to order. Browse through the available items and tap or click on any menu item to open it. When the item opens, you'll usually be able to personalize it. For example, you may be able to choose different options, sides, or add-ons depending on the product. Take a moment to review your choices carefully so your order matches what you want. After customizing the item, click Add to Cart. If you want more food, you can continue ordering by repeating the same process. Open another item, personalize it if needed, and add it to your cart. This makes it easy to build a full meal or order for several people at once. When you're finished adding everything, click Checkout. On the checkout page, you'll need to enter your contact details. Fill in your name, your phone number, and your email address in the required fields. Make sure these details are accurate, especially your phone number, since the restaurant or rider may use it if they need help finding your location or confirming your order. After that, check your delivery address to make sure everything is correct. Then review the order summary carefully. This is a good time to confirm that all your items, quantities, and customizations are right before payment. Finally, select your payment method from the available options shown on the page. And that's it. Once you've completed those details, you're ready to move forward with your KFC online order. Just take your time during checkout, double check the important information, and you'll have a smoother ordering experience from start to finish.